I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use lysine for cold sores. Let's dive into understanding how this amino acid can be a valuable tool in your cold sore management strategy. Lysine is an essential amino acid that may help inhibit the replication of the herpes simplex virus, which is the cause of cold sores. By understanding its role, you can proactively work towards reducing the frequency and severity of outbreaks. It's a simple addition that can make a big difference. When considering lysine for cold sores, dosage is crucial. For daily prevention, many find that taking 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams of lysine is effective. If you feel an outbreak starting or are in the midst of one, you might increase this to 1,000 milligrams to 3,000 milligrams daily, divided into several doses. Always take it with food to minimize any potential stomach upset and ensure consistent absorption for best results. Beyond just taking lysine, there are other helpful strategies to manage cold sores. Try to avoid foods rich in arginine, like nuts, chocolate, and certain grains, as these can sometimes trigger outbreaks. Additionally, topical lysine creams can offer direct relief when applied to the affected area. Remember, managing stress and protecting your lips from sun exposure are also important steps in preventing and treating cold sores effectively. A holistic approach often yields the best outcomes. To truly maximize your cold sore relief with lysine, consistency is absolutely vital. Regular intake, whether for prevention or during an outbreak, helps maintain effective levels in your body. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. And hey, if you're looking for ways to simplify your life, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.